Hi and welcome to Foodomania. Today we're going to be seeing how to make mac and cheese. Start by adding about half a cup of macaroni to a pot of boiling salted water. Boil it for about 5 minutes or until the pasta is well cooked. Drain the water and set it aside. Meanwhile, let's make the cheese sauce. To a saucepan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and let it melt. Then add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Mix it until the raw smell of the flour disappears. Gradually add about half a cup of milk to the pan and mix it well with the flour and butter mixture. Once it's mixed well, add the remaining milk to the pan. I'm adding about 1.5 cups of milk. Stir continuously until the sauce starts to thicken. Once the sauce coats the back of a wooden spoon, it is done. If you want, you can also spice up the sauce by adding some ground black pepper and mixed herbs. Add about 1/4 cup of cheese and mix well until the cheese melts into the sauce. Taste and adjust for seasoning if required. Now your cheese sauce is ready. Add in the cooked pasta. Mix it really well with the cheese sauce. And this is your mac and cheese ready to be served. Make sure to eat this mac and cheese while it's still piping hot. The recipe for this delicious cheesy mac and cheese pasta will be up on my blog foodomania.com, and I'll see you again with another recipe. Bye!